Hello everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. So today I'm going to teach you how to spray 1 gallon of fluid onto 1,000 square feet. You have a couple options. You can go with a pump sprayer. This one is a 2 gallon. They usually come with this little adjustable nozzle. You turn the tip and it'll adjust the flow rate. You can either get a fine stream or a nice mist. What I prefer using is a backpack sprayer like this, mainly because they come with various tips. This case is a red tip. It's a high flow tip. Comes with some other options. The yellow tip is a low flow tip. There's an adjustable tip similar to this. But once you get your walking and your pace dialed in, you'll be able to spray down 1 gallon per 1,000 square feet. Now the reason we're going for those numbers is because a lot of products, Tenacity, Triclopyr, Tall Star, liquid iron, liquid fertilizer, they have a specific rate of application. So if you see for turf, they want you to use 3 ounces of fertilizer per 1,000 square feet, mix it in about 1 gallon of water, and you're good to go. Easiest way to figure out if you're putting down the right amount of product, you draw yourself a 10 foot by 10 foot square. So now we're gonna go into the fun part, the math. We have a 10 foot by 10 foot square. So that gives us That gives us 100 square feet. Our goal is to spray 1,000 square feet. So 100 is 1/10 of 1,000. So that's our ratio, 1/10. A gallon is 128 ounces divided by 10, 12.8 ounces. That's the magic number. You want to put down 12.8 ounces per 100 square feet that you're spraying. So just to make life easier, half gallon, 64 ounces. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your sprayer, you go to the kitchen, grab your wife's measuring cup. Don't worry about it. She don't need it. Hide it in your garage. She could always buy herself a new one. You're gonna measure out either 128 ounces if you want to do the whole gallon, or 64 ounces if you're just going with half a gallon. You can go with half a gallon, it's fine. We're only doing 100 square feet. Now, once you pour your water into your sprayer, adjust your nozzle. Remember, we're spraying 100 square feet, and you want to start spraying the ground in your little square. Back and forth, give it a little bit of overlap. The point is, our goal is to be putting down 12.8 fluid ounces. So, once you are done spraying your little square, you're going to empty out your sprayer and you're going to measure how much water is left over. This is why it's important to start with a set amount of fluid in the sprayer. If you started with a gallon, remember our goal is 12.8. We're looking to have 115.2 fluid ounces left over. As long as you're close to 115.2, it's fine. This isn't rocket science. If you're at 115 exactly, you're fine. You started with half a gallon, 64 ounces, minus 12.8, you got 51.2. So after you sprayed your 100-foot grid, you should be left with 51.2 fluid ounces. Now, if after you empty out your sprayer, after you sprayed your 100 square feet, if you used up more than 12.8 ounces of water, one, either slow down if you're using a nozzle that has a set flow rate. So slow down your walking, slow down your pace. Or if yours is adjustable, adjust the spray. You're putting down too much water. And just walk at your normal pace, and you just have to go back and forth and adjust either between adjusting your spray nozzle or adjusting how fast you're walking. If you used less than 12 ounces after you sprayed your 100 square feet, then you need to either walk a little faster to speed up, or again, adjust your spray. Your sprayer, the adjustable one, is probably spraying too much, or if you have a set rate, you're not walking fast enough. And it's trial and error. Go back and forth. Just use regular water. Just make sure you're measuring how much water you put into the sprayer, and after spraying your 100 square feet, how much water is left in the sprayer. Right. Thanks again, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and take care.